Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to today's webinar on the UE Golden Visa. We are so glad you could join us all. Whether you are an investor, professional, or someone looking for, a long-term stability in UAE, then Golden Visa is a game changer. But we know there are certain questions which always comes around in your mind, like eligibility, benefit, cost, and the application process, how it will work. That's why we are here today. So my name is Harsha Wagmari, and I'm so excited to introduce our expert from Black Swan Setup, Business Setup, Anna Zafar. Blackstone has helped many individuals to get their, golden visa in UAE, and along with the individual, we have helped so many business owners as well to get their golden visa in UAE. Over to you, Anna. Let's help our audience to lock the door to the golden visa opportunities.
Absolutely, absolutely, Harsha. Thank you so much for the lovely introduction. And over to you. You can shoot up with your questions.
So the first question we always get about the category about the golden visa. So can you just elaborate, like what all are the categories under the golden visa?
Of course, right. See, there are quite a few categories, but let them break down for you. Okay, I'll give you a brief, outline as to what are the categories. First is investors, like property owners or business owners. Then entrepreneurs, especially those who are running innovative startups. Then, third, you can say specialized talents, think doctors, engineers, and IT professionals. Fourth, outstanding students and graduates with academic excellence. And even humanitarian pioneers or frontline heroes, who've made a big impact. Like you say, for example, in recent rains, the UAE government even announced and awarded golden visas to people who were, frontline workers. So golden
Correct.
visa is basically for all of these, they would really want to attract top talent and innovation.
Yes, I understand. That's really great. So tell me, Anna, like why someone should go for a golden visa in UAE? What's special about it?
Oh, where do I start? See, first, there is long term residency, 5 or 10 years, and it's renewable. Then, the most important thing is freedom. You don't need a local sponsor,
True.
you can switch
Uh-huh.
jobs or even, invest without any hassle. Plus, you can sponsor your whole family, including kids, parents. So, it's like, basically a stability and flexibility all rolled in one.
That's great. I understand. Great. So my next question, like what, let's talk about specific thing about like specific. What if a property is co-owned, like say by husband or wife, like then how is the category work like then?
Great question. See, if the property is jointly owned, the combined value must be a minimum threshold of usually
Hmm.
around 80 to 2 millions. Okay. This is in the
Okay.
case of husband and wife. If it
Okay.
does, both are
Uh-huh.
eligible to apply for the visa. But
Oh, that's great.
only
Great.
Yes, but only one person will get the visa. For example, I'll give you an example, okay? See, a property is owned by me and my husband, for example,
Hmm.
okay? I and he, we both are eligible to apply. However, only one person will apply. It can be either him or it can be me. The
Okay.
spouse can
Yeah.
take dependent visa or spouse golden
Uh-huh.
visa. Yes.
Hmm.
But in case if both want separate golden visa, he wants his own golden visa, I want my own golden visa. And we do not want to have any spouse golden visa or a dependent golden visa. Then in that situation, the property value should be a minimum of 84 million. Similarly,
Okay. Okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Hmm. So
Similarly,
you
if
mean
two
like 2 million? Yeah. So you mean 2 million for a husband or 2 million for a wife? So total
correct.
should be 4 million. So separately they can apply for a golden visa for the 10 years,
Yes.
right?
Exactly,
Hmm.
exactly.
Okay.
Similarly, for example, if two friends or partners, you and I, okay, for
Okay.
example, we co own a property and we
Okay.
are not husband and wife, then how
Hmm.
do we get a golden visa? Then
Yeah.
again, the property value should be a minimum of 84 million, okay, and
Oh.
then we can apply
Hmm.
because the minimum criteria is having a property owned is 2 million. So your 2
Okay.
million, my 2 million, then we both can apply
Correct.
for a golden visa under property category.
That's Yeah, that's great. That's great. So my next question would be, what about the mortgage properties? What if someone buy on property on mortgage? So will he eligible to get the golden visa? How
Yes,
it will
yes,
work?
of course. Of course, of course. There's no problem in that either. As long as the equity, like what you've paid off, is at least 2 million. Okay.
Okay.
You'll need a no objection certificate from the bank and the mortgage statement. That's it. And you can
Okay.
apply for a golden visa.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Like it's not look like it's very difficult. It's easy, right? Even if the property is under mortgage, so people can apply easily for the golden visa, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Nice, nice. And what about the documents? Like, what people need to apply when people need to apply? What are the category? Like, what documents they need?
See, again, it is not something that we can say that, okay, ABC are the documents that are required.
Hmm.
Because for
Hmm.
each category, the documentation will change. Okay, but if we talk
Hmm.
about in general, what all you'll need your passport and visa copies, you'll need your recent photographs, your proof of eligibility. Like, for example, if I'm applying under property, I should have property deeds. If I'm
Hmm.
applying under, specialized talents or on salary based, then I need to have employment contracts. If I'm applying on
Hmm.
as a
True.
scientist, then I need to have my academic certificates. Then I need to have my
Hmm.
Emirates ID. These are the major, I'll say, four documents that are required. However, for
Oh. Hmm.
employees, you'll also need a
Hmm.
valid job contract and a proof of salary, which is usually a
True.
minimum
Okay.
of 80-30,000 dirhams.
Oh, not that bad. Like 30,000 is like okay. Like within 30,000, if somebody is having a salary in UAE, they can apply for a golden visa and can get a residency of 10 years. You mean to say, right?
Correct, correct, correct. That's absolutely right.
Oh, that's a good news for I think for most of the employees or people who are working as an under employment visa and pretty good taking such salary because here in UAE I believe people are taking such salary and they still struggle for a visa like after 2 years to renew the visa. So this is the best option for them. Just having a salary of 30,000 in their account every month, they can apply for a golden visa after 6 months, right?
Yes, yes. And in UAE, we'll see that these brackets are usually there, and many people who are just unaware. Earlier, what happened? Earlier, the category
Mhm.
was for salary was much higher. But in recent
Ah,
days,
yes.
since last few years, to make it more accessible to people, they have reduced the
Mhm.
salary bracket to 30,000 dirhams.
That's nice. That's really nice. And thank you for such update because it's really helpful, right? So I'll come on to my next question. Like I'm curious to know more about it. Like how the golden visa sponsorship work. Like can I sponsor as I'm having a golden visa? Can I sponsor my kid's spouse under that visa?
Yes, 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 of course. And it's just not for young kids. You can also sponsor your adult children too. It's, one of the best perks of Golden Visa. And they also get it for next 10 years. It's not like
Oh,
only the kids under 18 or under 16 you can apply for that, even adult kids.
that's great. Love that. Really love that. So, what would the cost for the sponsorship? Could you just elaborate a little bit on the cost for the this sponsor visa?
Yes, of course. It depends on how many people you are sponsoring. But
Hmm.
typically, if we calculate everything like, your visa cost, your 10-year Emirates ID cost, your medical,
Hmm.
etc., then the cost per dependent will be around, 5 to 6,000 dirhams per
Okay.
person. Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's nice. So, and what will happen if suppose I'm in job and I leave that job and I have taken under that job only current job I have taken a golden visa, but I'm leaving the job while on golden visa having. So, what will happen then? Can I keep that golden visa if I leave my job, or it will be cancelled? How it will be? What happens if someone want to switch a job while on a golden visa? So what will happen?
I'll say this is one of the best questions and most frequently asked questions when someone is interested for golden visa. See, it is very easy. The golden visa, it isn't tied to your job. Okay, you are yourself.
Okay.
It is a self-sponsored visa, so you can switch your employers without any impact on your visa status. Your golden visa will still be valid, irrespective if I work here, if I work there, if I don't work at all. Okay, I do
Oh,
something else. For example, my golden visa will still be valid. I'll tell you a story. Uh,
yeah.
one of one of my client, okay, and he
Mm-hmm.
got a golden visa, and under salaried category. Now
Okay.
he's planning to move to Canada, okay,
Okay.
and leave his
Mm-hmm.
UAE job and move to Canada. His main
Okay.
concern was what will happen to my golden visa,
Yes, most
and
of the people will be thinking that. Yeah.
yes, but see, once you get a golden visa for 10 years, you are sorted. Even if you are not, that is the main benefit of a golden visa, that even if you are not here, you're not working, or you have moved to somewhere else, your golden visa still will be active till that point of time, as long its validity is.
That's a
So,
big
yeah.
relief. Yeah, actually, that's a big relief for a lot of people here in UAE who are working, and because they have this question in their mind, like, what if I'll get a golden visa under the company and then I'll leave the job? Because opportunity doors are open and people want to explore the option for the job, right? So it's really a big relief for a lot of people. Okay, so now tell me, like, one more good question came in my mind. What is the difference between property golden visa and employment golden visa? Can you
Okay.
just help me know that? Yeah.
Okay. See, firstly, there are property golden visa and employment golden visa. All are golden visa. Okay. Firstly,
Okay.
that I'll tell you. Okay. See, property
Mhm.
golden visa is under the category of property. You show that you have a property worth 2 million and you get a golden
Mhm.
visa. Then
Okay.
employment golden visa is based on your employment, that I am employed as a manager somewhere in the company or some other designation, and I'm drawing a
Mhm.
salary of worth 80 30,000 dirhams per month. This is
Mhm.
employment golden visa. But both
Okay.
are golden visas valid for 10 years. Now,
Okay.
here again, I get a question that, like, people often get confused between property visa and a golden visa under property. Okay.
Correct.
Yes. So now what it
Correct.
is, basically, property visa is for your property that is, worth less than 2 million. The main,
Okay.
when I talk about property visa, it's a short term visa. Okay. And it's
Mm-hmm.
tied to property ownership, usually, which is 2 years, the validity of the visa.
Visa, you are
Whereas
saying
in
resident.
golden visa, yes, it
Mm-hmm.
is 10 years. Now,
Okay.
in property visa, what are the requirements? The requirement is 8750,000 worth and above of property. Whereas in
Okay.
golden visa under property, the value
Mhm.
is 2 million dirhams of the property. So now I
Okay.
hope you get that difference, that how it changes. Even if you don't qualify a property based golden visa, you can get a property visa if
Property
you're,
visa under the. Okay,
yes,
that would be for 2 years. Property visa will be for 2 years, you're saying, and golden visa under property that will be for 10 years, right?
correct, correct,
And
correct, correct.
it's same, if I'm not wrong, for golden visa, you said 10 years, minimum 2 million dirham investment should be there for the property, right?
Correct, correct. Absolutely
Right.
right. Right. Like if you're thinking for long term, then of
Huh.
course, golden visa wins hands down.
Yeah. And even if this is also a good option for the property visa, which you have given just for 2 years, it's just minimum investment like 750,000, right? You are saying.
Correct, correct. Minimum is
Property.
750 till 2
Oh,
million. Yeah.
till 2 million. So for,
Yeah.
okay, till 2 million. And then he can get the property visa, you're saying, for 2 years. That's
Correct, correct.
good.
Absolutely.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I think like it's a good option for people who are investing in property, for even if they don't have a 2 million worth property, but below that also they can get a residency in UAE, right? So
That's
now
right. That
now I'm more excited and curious to know one more thing. Like, what will happen, like, if I take a golden visa, or suppose if I take a property visa, then can I open a bank account in UAE? Is it
yes.
possible to get? Oh, really?
Yes. It is absolutely possible. And
Okay.
once you have your property visa or golden visa, you can open your personal bank account anywhere in the UAE. It's completely possible.
Oh, okay. Agreed. Here's another come on. Can golden visa holder sponsor their parents or as well, apart from kids and spouse we talked earlier? So can they sponsor their parents as well?
Yes, yes, they can sponsor their parents. They just need to show that, you can financially support them with proof of incomes or savings. Once you have, because of
Okay.
course you are able to take care that, that you are calling your parents, you should be able to take care of them. Right? So you just need to show
Hmm.
the proof of income or savings and you can sponsor your parents, mother, father, anyone.
Okay, okay. And now let's talk about profession. Like we already talked about the property golden visa. Now let's talk about specific professions. Who qualified and what document they need?
Okay. So, see, doctors, scientists, engineers, IT specialists, educators, they all are eligible. Okay. You'll need your
Okay.
degree certificates, proof of work experience, and some, letter of recommendations or awards. For example, even if UAE has awarded you with something, you can, make your profile and make your case stronger in that sense because they also want to attract top talents, so they will see what recognitions you have in your CV, or I'd
Attached
say
to it.
portfolio. Correct,
Yeah.
correct. That's right.
Okay. Okay. And now the big one coming to you. Coming to you. What is the cost for the golden visa itself?
Okay. The most
Yeah. How
important
much?
question.
Yes, people are curious to know. Like my audience wanted to know. Like I know people, there are so many people who want to apply golden visa, but they don't have complete information related to the process, timeline, and of course about the cost. So I really wanted to know what would be the cost for it, how much it will cost.
See, again, it varies, but typically, if you're looking like major costing, it depends on category to category. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
from anything from 85,000 dirhams to 10,000 dirhams, depending on the category and the number of your dependents, the cost will
Hmm.
vary. But I'll say within 10,000 dirhams for 10 years, you are sorted.
That's a really amazing news. Trust me, and I hope people who are watching us are getting more aware about the golden visa. Now the last question to you, Anna: how Blackstone will help?
Okay.
Yeah.
See, we will make it easy. Okay, we handle everything. We assemble your eligibility. We assess your eligibility. Like we'll take care. We'll review your profile. We'll prepare your documents. We'll do the submitting of your application. Basically, we take care of the whole process, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to go from here to there, etc. You don't have to do anything. We will tell you where when you are required, and we'll minimize your struggle time, I'll say. So evaluation of your documents, making your application to the government, liaising with the concerned authorities, and that's it. You have your golden visa and we are happy to help you.
Well, thank you so much, Anna, for answering all our queries. And thank you, everyone, for joining today's webinar for the Golden Visa in UAE and being such an amazing audience. We hope this session give you a clear understanding about how UAE Golden Visa work, its benefit, category, costing, process, timeline, and how it can help you to open the door to secure the future here in UAE. So, if you are ready to take the next step and if you are having any further questions, don't hesitate. Just reach out to us at Blackstone Business Setup Services. We are here to make your golden visa journey seamless and effortless and stress free. Trust me. Remember, you remember securing your golden visa isn't it just about a residency here in UAE? It's about investing your future and making the UAE your home. So thank you again for being here, and we look forward to help and to achieve your goal here. Have a very nice and wonderful day. Thank you.
Thanks, Harsha. Thanks for having me. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.